So this is a Talasheri Malabar style beef biryani we're making. So beef is with the bone, is rib and shoulder cut. So beef is around 1.5 kilo. And now sliced onions, 3 medium size onion, around 400 grams. Now adding tomato, salad tomato you can use, around 6 to 7 tomatoes, so 200 grams of tomato ideally, and then around 10 to 12 green chili, medium spicy, not very hot ones. It will come around 50 grams. Curry leaf around 4 sprigs. It will be around 3 grams. Ginger garlic paste 4 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Crushed black pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon we can put. Salt 1 teaspoon. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon we can add. Now yogurt, thick yogurt 4 tablespoons. Coriander and mint mixed together 4 sprigs each. 2 tablespoons of oil, you can use plain oil. Now carefully mix it. Now it's marinated, we can pressure cook it on a high flame for 2 minutes and then on low for 40 minutes till it's tender. So now the beef is cooked, you can see it's very tender. It just comes off in the hand. So now we need to transfer into a big container or big pot where we're going to dum the rice and the mixture of biryani. So now we put in a big pot, give it a boil, check the seasoning, you can adjust if you want to add salt, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of garam masala just for more flavor, and 3 tablespoons of fried onions, and 3 sprigs of coriander and mint in the gravy. Now allow it to boil for at least 5 minutes till the sauce gets lightly thickened. We don't have to make it very thick. Okay, now it's time to layer. So I'm adding coriander and mint mix. You can check the recipe how much we put in each layer. Fried onion, half a handful. Then a handful of raisin and nuts that is being sauteed in ghee before. Now add a layer of rice, pulao rice. You can check the description how we make the rice. There is another video we explain properly. So repeat the same what we did in the first layer. Mint, fried onion and raisins, fried onions or crispy onions. Now sprinkle garam masala, and then 1 tablespoon of ghee, cover with leftover rice, 1 more layer. Repeat the same with the last layer too. Garam masala and the remaining stuff. Now with a handle, just make a whole kind of, like a well. So the steam comes from the bottom to the top. You make 4 of those. So it helps the steam to circulate. Now increase the fire. Sprinkle with water If you have saffron, you can put saffron now on this time. Infuse saffron water. Now cover with a butter paper and the lid, so the steam will be trapped inside properly. Now it's on a high heat. Once you can feel the heat here, you bring down the temperature or the heat to the lowest one and then leave it there for 6 minutes. So now after resting, after 6 minutes, we switch it off, rest it around 15 minutes. Just open it. Yeah. Now to serve, you can just take it from the side like this. So you will have the masala and the pieces and everything, and the plain rice as well, like this. So you can plate it like this. Okay, it's ready. You can see. So now to serve, take it from the bottom in a bowl. Put the meat and the masala on the bottom, and then the plain rice on the top, and with the garnish.